Okay, everyone, meet Caleb, also known as Slim, a business management major from Jackson, Mississippi. Slim's story highlights UNOH's powerhouse athletic programs, home to 14 sports and the only collegiate motorsports teams in the country. With students from all 50 states and over 80 countries, UNOH builds a truly global athletic community. Slim, show us how you're thriving as a racer. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. After my first 2 years at junior college, it was difficult for me to decide what university I wanted to attend. Now I know I made the best decision for my future as an athlete and a student. The University of Northwestern Ohio has provided me with the best resources to continue my professional career at basketball and business. UNOH offers a diverse athletic program with a total of 14 sports. We have men's and women's basketball, golf, soccer, and bowling. Plus, there's a baseball, softball, and women's volleyball team. But UNOH is known for its unique motorsports program, which include modified, stock, and drag racing. It's the only university in the country to offer competitive racing as a collegiate sport. That's why we're the racers. We've built a strong global recruiting tradition, attracting student athletes from all over the world. We've had students from 80 countries attend UNOH. This international approach to recruitment helps us build competitive teams of athletes with diverse backgrounds and skills. Whether on the court, field, or track, the UNOH racer community prides itself on fostering athletic achievement while promoting a multicultural environment that prepares students for both academic and athletic success. Big shout out to my coaches. The business program at UNOH are flexible and fast-paced. You can get an associate's degree in just 18 months and your bachelor's in 3.5 years. Plus, with small class sizes for personalized attention, I'm succeeding both on and off the court. My next step is to pursue my professional basketball career and be the best version of myself. Wise words from Slim. Either you a dog or you're dog food. Go Racers! Back to you, Alex.
Slim, thank you for showing us how UNOH's athletics and academics go hand in hand, offering the ultimate experience for student athletes. From flexible business degrees to championship sports, UNOH helps racers succeed on and off the field. We can't wait to see the success of racer athletics for many years to come. Best of luck, Slim.